Have you ever wondered what the people of Jordan eat? What makes their meals a reflection of their rich culture? What if I told you that the meals served today are echoes of history? Welcome to the 6th episode of Travel Through Time in Jordan. Today, we'll explore the habits and meals of Jordan, a culinary tradition that connects the past with the present. In the previous episodes we traveled through time to the history of the places in Jordan like Petra, Mount Nebo, Jerash and Wadi Rum, and how the past affects the present that what we call echoes of antiquity. Similarly, Jordanian cuisine reflects a rich heritage. Jordanian cuisine is a gem of Levantine culture. It has evolved through generations, making it both rich and diverse. The use of seasonal ingredients reflects Jordan's agricultural roots, with olives and olive oil being prominent in their cooking. Start your day with a typical Jordanian breakfast. It's a delightful spread of hummus, falafel, fresh salad, and bread known as khubz. This meal embodies the essence of Jordanian hospitality. As you delve deeper into Jordanian cuisine, you'll discover that stuffed vegetables are a favorite. Families have their unique techniques for preparing dishes, using herbs and spices that add flavor to every bite. Unique flavors abound, with aromatic herbs, garlic, onion, tomato sauce, and lemon being staples. Za'atar, a blend of thyme, sesame seeds, and sumac, adds another layer of flavor to many dishes. Meat plays a significant role in many Jordanian dishes. Lamb, chicken, and sometimes even camel are common. One cherished dish is Mansaf. This national dish features lamb cooked with jameed, a special dried yogurt. It symbolizes generosity, often served to honored guests. When you visit Jordan, don't miss out on traditional desserts. Indulge in baklava, Knafeh, or seasonal fruits. These sweet treats offer a glimpse into the country's culinary artistry. Jordanian meals are often communal experiences. The practice of mezze sharing allows friends and family to come together, making eating a lively event. Common mezze items include baba ganoush, tabbouleh, and olives, presenting a vibrant array of flavors. Looking for a unique experience? Try the dish called Zarb. Originating from Bedouin culture, it's a feast of meat and vegetables cooked underground. It's a truly unforgettable dining experience, often enjoyed during gatherings in nature. Tea and coffee are staples in Jordan, often flavored with mint or sage. These beverages are served during welcoming gatherings, accentuating the warmth of Jordanian hospitality. This culinary journey is not just about food. It's a cultural celebration where every meal holds a story. Food in Jordan is an expression of love, family, and tradition. In summary, Jordanian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and customs. It's a living tradition that showcases the country's rich heritage. If you enjoyed this culinary exploration, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are interested in traveling to Jordan to check the antiquity of food. Leave a comment about other places you'd like to learn about. Join us for more exciting adventures that celebrate the echoes of antiquity.